Welcome all to Annual Day Celebrations Sports Event. Alif High School, here and hereafter. A complete modern education with Islamic values. Success of both the worlds, Dunya and Akhirat.
Please put your hands together to listen to the preamble, the Constitution of India.
The Constitution of India, that is Bharatiya Samvidhan, it was constituted by the drafting committee on 29th August 1947 and it came to the force on 26 January 1950. The Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman. A constitution is a set of rules and it guides how the people of the country, state and other political organization works. We need a constitution because we need a government to protect the national rights and the duties, which means the fundamental rights and the fundamental duties.
Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are a group of rights in Part 3 under Article 14 to 30 in our Constitution that have been recognized by the Supreme Court as requiring a high degree of protection from government encroachment. These fundamental rights are essential for intellectual, oral and spiritual development of individual.
Fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are in Part 4 under Article 51A by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Fundamental duties is a section of Constitution of India that prescribes fundamental, moral and obligatory duties of the citizen to the nation.
I am right to equality. Article 16 says there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens. It matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. No citizen of India shall accept any title from any foreign state.
Rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights.
I am right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. Article 19 says that all citizens shall have the right to freedom as speech and expression. Article 20 says that the state can improve reasonable restrictions on the grounds of security of the state. Article 21 deals with protections of life and personal liberty and says that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. Article 22 deals with protection against arrest and detention in certain cases.
Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights.
I am right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to Article 28. Article 25 deals with freedom for compliance and free profession practice and propagation of religion. Article 26 deals with freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 deals with freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28 deals with freedom as to attendance of religious instructions or religious worship in certain educational institutions.
Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights.
I am right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24 deals with the prohibition of employment of children in factories or in companies or etc.
Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights. Do your duty, show your rights. I am right to culture and education remedies. to conserve their culture, language, and right of minorities, to establish their educational institution of their choice. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am right to constitute India. It is considered to be the most important fundamental right because it ensures the protection of our fundamental right. It helps the citizen in moving court in case of violation of the citizen to the nation.
Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am duty number 1 and 2. Duty number 1, to obey by the constitution and respect idols and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Duty number 2, to cherish and follow the noble idol which inspired our national struggle for freedom.
Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am duty number 3 and 4, to uphold and protect the sovereignty and integrity of India, to defend the country and international services with call upon to all time.
Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am duty number 5 and 6, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women.
Rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am duty number 7 and 8, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the national environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, land, to have compassion with living creatures.
Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
I am duty number 9 and 10. Duty number 9, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individually and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher level of endeavors and achievement. Duty number 10, to safeguard the public properties and their governance.
Your rights, to your rights, do your duty, show your rights. Use your rights, use your rights, do your duty, show your rights.
These are our fundamental rights, these are our fundamental duties. So every citizen should follow and strive for our country. Jai Hind!
Thank you.
MashaAllah, it was informative. You sisters made us aware of our rights and duties as Indian. Jazakallah khair. भाषा बोली अलग अलग है, फिर भी सबका है सम्मान. पूरब से लेकर पश्चिम तक सारा एक है हिंदुस्तान.